everyone, this is Charlie from Spray Paint Art by Charlie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a review on chalkboard spray paint by Rust-oleum. Now, on the can, it claims that it will basically turn any surface into a chalkboard. So, I'm going to test that theory out today, and I'm going to use a piece of poster board, and I'm just going to use some ratty t-shirt that I have laying around. This is poster board. I'm going to turn it into a chalkboard, then I'm going to draw on it. This is the t-shirt that I'm going to be painting on. It's going to be a chalkboard as well. Okay guys, this is the poster board, all nice and dried. Nice new pack of chalk here. We're going to check it out on the poster board, then we're going to go right to the t-shirt. We'll go back to the old school days. I remember standing at a chalkboard doing this, and every time I could never get it right. It took me forever, and then when I finally did, every notebook, every book cover, you would see this S. Okay, so I'm going to go on the limb here and say that the poster board part works pretty decent. Yay! Alright, I think as much as you all would love to sit here and see me doodle, I'm thinking I'm going to just go like this. And we're gonna go to the t-shirt. Okay, so here's the t-shirt. Let's see if this works. It feels kind of weird. Definitely not the same. Okay. So, the can does hold true.
It's not as solid looking though.
Yeah, it's not as solid looking,
not as,
but
bold.
Yeah, good point. But it does hold true. Now, for the erasing part, I don't know.
It says it'll erase?
Oh, I don't know. It's chalkboard, so you should just be able to be like... Alright, well anyway, there's that on the t-shirt. So we're gonna go like this. Okay, so don't look like it's gonna come off that great. Maybe some spit shine.
Don't.
I'm joking. Joking.
Please don't.
Okay, so it barely came off. Okay, it's coming off better off the shirt. Alright.
Wow. Weird.
What do we gather? On poster board it comes out more bold and solid, as opposed to the t-shirt, it kind of, what would the word be I'm looking for? Faded, there you go. Came out a little more faded. However, on the poster board, it did not come off very well using my wristbands, whatever you want to call them. But it came off pretty good with the t-shirt. Okay everyone, so it definitely holds true. I painted on a t-shirt and just a regular blank piece of poster board, and it held up pretty decently. Okay everyone, I just got done using the chalkboard spray paint, and I used a t-shirt and a piece of poster board. Had a lot of fun doing it. The t-shirt did take a little longer to dry, but once it was done, it was not too shabby. I'm gonna put a link down below for you guys if you're interested, and don't forget to leave a comment if you liked what you saw. And subscribe. You guys have a beautiful day. Peace, love, all the above.